Every business owner in 2025 should be using these 5 AI tools. They'll save you at least 20 hours a week, automate your emails and follow-ups, and even create your videos, all for little to no cost. These AI tools can literally replace half of your admin workload, run your systems while you focus on growing your business. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which tools to use, how they fit together, and how to set them up so your business can practically run itself. Most small business owners I talk to are completely overwhelmed. You're doing everything: sales, marketing, admin, customer service, and there's never enough time. And look, I get it. I used to be there too. My days were full of emails, rescheduling calls, chasing leads, and remembering who I needed to follow up with. It felt like the business owned me and not the other way around. But then I discovered something simple. If you can describe a task step by step, AI can do it for you. And that's the realization that changed everything. Now my business runs on automation. Clients get instant replies, leads get followed up with automatically, and appointments get booked all by themselves. And this is all powered by AI tools working quietly in the background. So today I'm going to show you the 5 AI tools that make it possible. Together they create a powerful system that captures leads, follow-ups, creates content, and grows your businesses automatically. And everything I'm about to show you integrates perfectly inside of Go High Level, my all-in-one CRM and automation platform. So let's jump in. Tool number 1 is ChatGPT, your digital business brain. ChatGPT is the foundation of my AI setup. It's my strategist, my copywriter, and my digital assistant, all rolled up into one. I use ChatGPT to write my entire emails and SMS campaigns inside of Go High Level. It creates follow-up messages, it writes ad copy, draft client proposals, and even outlines automation and workflows. For example, when a new lead comes in through a form, ChatGPT instantly creates a personalized message that sounds like it came directly from me. I drop that message right into Go High Level, and every lead gets an immediate, thoughtful response without me typing out a thing. ChatGPT also writes my blog posts, social captions, and newsletters, all in my tone and style. It's like having a full-time marketing team that never sleeps. If you start with one tool, please start with ChatGPT. It's the brain that powers everything. Tool number 2, 11 Labs, your voice on autopilot. Video is everything right now, but recording every single video, every client message, and every training module, that's impossible. 11 Labs solves that. It clones your voice so you can turn any script into lifelike, natural audio. I use it to create onboarding videos, training content, and even automated client voice messages, and then I upload those straight to my Go High Level automations. When a new client signs up, they instantly get a personal welcome message in my voice. It sounds human, warm, and authentic, but I didn't record it. That's how you scale connection without losing your personal touch. And once you've tried it, I promise you'll never go back. Tool number 3, VO3, the cinematic AI video creation. VO3 is a game changer. It lets you create cinematic quality videos just by describing them. No cameras, no actors, no editing. You simply type what you want to see, like a business owner celebrating a new client in a bright office, cinematic lighting, 4K resolution, and VO3 makes it. Here's how I use it. ChatGPT writes my video script. VO3 generates the visuals, and then I upload that clip directly to my Go High Level funnels and automations. It's just that simple. Every new lead who joins my system gets a high quality professional video without me ever picking up the camera. This is how small businesses start looking like big brands. Tool number 4 is Sora 2, Hollywood level realism. If you want videos that look real, Sora 2 is next level. It can create photorealistic cinematic scenes that look like they were filmed by a professional crew. You can generate office shots, client interactions, product demos, and even lifestyle visuals that perfectly fit your brand. I use Sora 2 for creating high quality videos for my social media channels. These videos make my content look professional without high production costs. Before, that would have cost thousands of dollars, and now it's a simple text prompt. Sora Sora 2 gives small businesses the creative freedom that used to be reserved for the big companies. Tool number 5, synthvoice.ai, your fully integrated AI secretary. This one's a game changer. Synthvoice.ai isn't just a voice generator, it's your AI-powered personal secretary. It answers your phone calls, it talks to your clients, it schedules appointments, sends text messages, confirms bookings, and even follows up automatically. Think of it as your own full-time receptionist who never takes a break. It understands natural language, handles multiple conversations at once, and syncs perfectly with Go High Level and any other CRM for that matter. That means every call, every message, and every new lead gets a response instantly without you lifting a finger. I use synthvoice.ai to handle all of my incoming calls, book appointments directly to my calendar, and even send personalized text reminders. If someone calls after hours, my AI secretary picks up, answers the questions, and then books them right into Go High Level. No missed calls, no lost leads, just 24/7 communication that feels personal because it is personal. Synthvoice.ai gives small businesses the power of a full support team, powered entirely by AI. Now imagine all of these working together. ChatGPT writes your content, 11 Labs gives your voice, VO3 and Sora 2 create your visuals, Synthvoice.ai handles your communication and scheduling, and Go High Level ties it all together, sending messages, booking appointments, and following up automatically. That's not just automation, that's freedom. Imagine waking up to find new leads booked, clients onboarded, and follow-ups already sent while you were asleep. That's what these 5 AI tools can do for your business. If you're ready to set this up for yourself, I've created a free AI business toolkit that shows you exactly how. You'll get my Go High Level templates, automation and workflows, and AI prompts, everything you need to build your own AI-powered system. Click the link below to download it for free. And if you want to see these tools in action, join me live for Think Forward Live, where I show you my top 3 favorite AI tools this month and exactly how I use them inside of Go High Level every single day. This is the future of small business. AI isn't replacing entrepreneurs, it's empowering them. So start now, automate smarter, and let AI handle the busy work so you can focus on what really matters.